Mr. Srikanth Gaur, Mr. Ziauddin. We are really happy to have you all here on this dais. This event has been have all these players from different states of India and a foreign country from UAE. I really thank our team from UAE for cooperating in the big day because the conditions here were challenging. Unfortunately, we had rains, so still we were able to manage and we are able to complete the tournament. Really thank all the players and the coaches in cooperating and making this tournament a grand success. Particularly to the coaches of handling, because under 17 boys, to handle under 17 boys.
Federation of Tamil Nadu, dignitaries from the dais, and my dear friend Sathik Pasha, and it gives me immense pleasure, joy and happiness to be amongst you on this evening. Because a few days back when Sathik Pasha called me, I was in line on what way I can contribute. I am also told the Cricket Federation of India and in particular the Cricket Federation of Tamil Nadu is doing wonderful work in promotional cricket. We need more and more such sports bodies, not only at the state level, at the district levels also. We all see the Tamil Nadu Premier League happening now with a great, what we call the cricketing we see in the typical games are not less than the IPL or any world class tournaments.
And also for really recreating the game day by day, it is very big popular. Previous, only UK, United Kingdom, England was playing, West Indies was playing, now it has come to America. World Cup has started in America. Previous, nobody was playing for cricket. Cricket is all over India, it became very popular. Because this game, every gully, every village, the boys are playing for cricket. Today has chance, because unless sports will help, sports will come forward, all corporate sector and like our commissioner, principal commissioner is custom. Every bowler, every boys are playing. So my request is, so sponsors should come forward. There is a lot of businessmen in Tamil Nadu. Why they will not help for the food handler? It has come to Haryana also. Haryana is also Bhupinder Singh Hooda is also chairman there. Everybody was there. Here is also Sadi and also Srikanth.
To become a player of all India level, or national level, or international level, we have to better play. The Sri Lankan player Tushar Mundis was playing in our under-17 team. Then they have my leader Mr. Hanuman Sawa said, Mr. Tushar and Mr. Suraj. Simply we all, I think we all have to become the top most cricket players of India as well as players of the international team. We all have to come, but we have to train well, we have to treat with good health, good we have to be a sportsman, sportsman, but not only in sports, we have to study also. We have to achieve good height, we have to be graduate, we have to be postgraduate, we have to be a correspondent, we have to be an achiever of all whatever you do. I request and pray the Almighty and the Holy Spirit all have to come into the life. This is what I thank the Church of Bhakta and the associates for this. I say you all the players have to come up very well financially, socially, as well as the job for your husband and fulfill your life. This is what I have to excel.
India